In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your resume from LinkedIn. Perhaps you've updated your resume recently, or maybe you simply want to manage your LinkedIn profile and ensure that only the most current information is available to potential employers. Regardless of the reason, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To get started, you'll need to open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. This should be pretty simple. Just find the LinkedIn icon on your screen and tap it. Once you have the app open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Give that a tap. This will take you to a screen that gives you access to many of the settings related to your LinkedIn account. Now let's head to the Settings menu. If you look towards the bottom of your screen, you should see an option labeled Settings. Tap on it to continue. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to manage your account. What we're interested in today is your data privacy settings, so go ahead and select that. Once you're in the data privacy section, scroll down until you find the option that says Job Application Settings. This is where LinkedIn stores information related to the files and resumes you've uploaded for job applications. Tap on Job Application Settings to open it. Here, you should see your resume listed. Next to your resume, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots. These are more commonly referred to as the More Options button. Tap those dots to see additional options. In this menu, you should see the option to delete. By tapping delete, you will permanently remove your resume from LinkedIn servers. This is a simple, effective way to ensure that outdated versions of your resume are not floating around on the internet. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your resume from LinkedIn. By following these steps, you maintain control over your profile and keep your information up to date. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. Also, consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon so you never miss updates and new videos that we upload. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your LinkedIn profile.